Hey everybody. Hello everybody. Hey everybody. It's Brock. This is Brock. And we got a new episode with another episode of All About. What's up everybody? It's Brock and we got a brand new episode of All About. And today we are learning about another coral. This one is actually a beginner coral that most people can take care of because they are very hardy. This is the candy cane coral, or as other people like to call them, the trumpet coral or the big pipe trumpet coral. Prices on them, you shouldn't really spend more than about 15 bucks for a frag of them. I've seen a lot of the kryptonites, which are really popular because of their very lime green color, go for about 20 bucks, so they're not too bad. Care level, they are super easy. Like I said, this is a really good beginner coral to get. Temperature, you want to keep it 72 to 78. I definitely recommend hitting right on that 78. DKH 8 to 12, pH 8.1 to 8.4, and your salinity 1.023 to 1.025. Colors on them, neon greens are probably one of the most common ones you'll see. A lot of people like to call them the kryptonites. There are some variations where it's more of a bluish green color, and then some that have like this red purple surrounding them with a really green center. Those are really pretty too. Diet. So other than just feeding off the light and feeding off of things in the tank, you can feed them pellets is a really good thing to spot feed them, or you can feed them something a little more meatier like a mysis shrimp. You will see feeder tentacles come out of them whenever they are feeding. A lot of times when you see that, that's the best time to throw something into the tank for them to eat. A lot of times people put liquid food in there like oyster feast, or you could use things like fuel to get it down there to them. And a lot of times feeder tentacles tend to come out at night, so if you really want to make them grow, feed them at night. They are a very fast growing LPS coral, especially when you give them food. Origin, they pretty much are all aquaculture now. If you ever were to get one in the wild, it'd probably come around in the Australia, Indonesia area. But pretty much everywhere you look, they're aquaculture because they're so easy. Venomous, definitely not. They aren't venomous, but they will get stung by other stuff, definitely. So make sure you put them in a spot that they aren't going to get hit by anything. Placement, I've noticed they do best in the middle of the tank or at the low parts of the tank. Sometimes putting them at the very top, they just tend to shrivel up a little bit. It's just the light's a little bit too much on them. So definitely medium range to the bottom is where they really thrive. Current, I'd recommend about a medium current, even low. That helps them really expand out and look really big while they're catching food, but you definitely want a little bit of current on them to make sure they're grabbing some food. Tank size doesn't really matter, just make sure you have plenty of nutrients in there. Make sure you're keeping your levels like calcium and KH are probably your main two to make sure you have a really, whenever you're feeding these guys, you tend to have about a new head a month. They grow pretty quickly. And what they'll do is they'll end up growing two little mouths right beside each other, and then they'll split, and then you'll slowly start to see these new branches branching off, and you'll have a big colony of them in your tank. They're really cool. Other than that, that's pretty much sums it up for these guys. Like I said, they're super easy, great for beginners that want to try them out and can survive a mistake if you make one. They are very hardy, but other than that, put them in a spot, kind of medium load to the tank, a little bit of current on them, and they'll thrive really well. Spot feeding them, I've noticed pellets are always the best way to go because they can drop them right on top of their mouth and they'll eat that. Other than that, hope you all have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Send me some comments down below through my social media, just anywhere you can ask them. I love answering y'all's feedback. I will see y'all later. Hope y'all have a great weekend. See ya.